How to protect your Facebook account. This is a pretty new update if you want to protect your Facebook account from being hacked. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On Facebook, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it, and proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then continue to tap on settings. This will land you onto an interface like this. Proceed to tap on Meta Account Center. Under Meta Account Center, scroll down a bit until you locate password and security and tap on it. Then on this interface, in order for you to protect your account, you have to first change your password and also enable the two-factor authentication, and occasionally make sure to check on where you are logged in. So this will give you a preview of the devices that are currently using your Facebook as well as your logins alerts. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.